How to use Discord Server Boost. Server boosts are a great way to upgrade your Discord community with perks like better audio quality, custom banners, and more emoji slots. To boost, open the server you want to support and click the server name at the top. Select Server Boost from the menu. You'll see a breakdown of what each level unlocks. Choose how many boosts you want to apply and then confirm payment. You can manage or cancel boosts from user settings under subscriptions. Boosted servers get a shiny badge, and the perks scale with the number of boosts received from members. Coordinate with your community. Multiple member boosting can unlock higher level faster. Have you ever boosted a server before? Share your experience in the comments below. Boosting helps your server stand out with premium feature that keeps member engaged. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.